So, example 2. Points can store many kind of attributes. We earlier looked at ptnum and position. Two other very useful and very common attributes are CD for color and N for normal. So we still have our point cloud here with 100 points that we had in the previous example. We are now going to drop down a color node, simply called color. We're going to put the class to point, and we're going to put the constant, and we're going to put the color to, actually we're going to put it to 1, 0, 0. So color is a vector as well. It has R, G, and B. So once I put this down and I click the display flag on this, my points will turn into red points. This means that they now have the attribute CD set to 1, 0, 0. So R equals 1, sorry, G for green equals 0, and B equals 0. We can also represent this in a geometry spreadsheet by going here and seeing that in our colors we have a vector color R, G, and B, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 for all points. Another very useful attribute is also a vector, is called a normal. So normal not only has value in a vector, it also has like a direction. So to create a normal, I've here used a point SOP, and I've clicked add normal, and I've done the normal to 0, 1, 0. We can also visualize the normals in the viewport by going here, and next to our point visualizer here, we have this called display normals. If we click this, we can clearly see now that we have a direction of the normals that is pointing straight upwards, since we put our normal to 0 in X, 1 to Y, and 0 to Z. If we instead we put this Y direction to -1, they would now point downwards. If we instead put this to 0 and put this to 1, they would point positive direction in X, like this. Yeah, and both of these attributes are very useful as well. Both are vectors, and you will be using them a lot. So yeah, that's the end of example 2. Thank you.